Okay, so this conversation I'm about to have with you is only going to help you if you live in a small space, if you have limited kitchen space, and if you spend time in the kitchen on a regular basis. So, you see these bowls, they come in different colors, they are every kitchen's dream. I never realized how much I actually needed these until I got these from Amazon Vine. These are stainless steel mixing bowls, and what I like about them is that they do a little bit of everything. So you can use them for prepping, mixing, serving, and even storing leftovers. So instead of reaching for 20 other different bowls, you just use these. The nice thing is that they all come with lids. The lids are airtight, and the set also includes 3 graters. So this can be used with the larger bowl. You can slice, shred, and of course grate with all these 3 graters. The set of bowls is nestable, meaning you can nest them together in order to maximize your space. So what you get is a 5-quart, a 4-quart, a 3-quart, a 2-quart, and a 1.5-quart bowl. So that's a total of 5 bowls. And if that's not enough, the set includes utensils, which all come in handy in the kitchen. So you get 2 different spatulas, you have kitchen tongs, you have an egg whisk, you have a basting brush, an egg separator, and you also have large and small measuring spoons. Oh, and not to forget the spreader spatula. And these are all utensils you will use every day. Now, this set of bowl comes in different colors. So honestly, if you don't have a color in your kitchen, you could go with black or silver. I've seen these in navy, and of course, this is red. So you can honestly just check the listing and see what's available right now. Oh, and the base for these bowls is slip resistant, or it's non-slip. So that means when you're mixing, your bowl is not going to embarrass you by moving around or shaking. It sits sturdy on the counter. Can you imagine my excitement when I realized that I can store leftovers in these bowls? So if there's something I don't usually like, is keeping large boxes or storage containers. I feel like they take up so much space. I'm talking about the Tupperware type. And I almost forgot to mention, every bowl has etched measurements inside. I mean, how cool is that? Most importantly, after you're done messing up with these bowls, they are dishwasher safe. I actually just realized I've owned these bowls for exactly a year today, and I'm yet to see a scratch. I am obsessed, 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 and I think you should be too. Unless, of course, you have no business being in the kitchen. And if you're looking for more space-saving products, go ahead and click on my profile and visit my Amazon storefront.